Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I'm back with another banger.
I'm asking my grandmother. I can wait for hours. When that comes in, her and be like, "What's this?" I say, "My auntie."
Auntie who?
Monique did it.
Okay you guys, so today I'm working on an iPhone 7 or 8 Plus because y'all know that the 7 and the 8 Plus have the same case. I get that a lot of times, like, oh, I have the 8 Plus and I'm like, oh, there go a case right there. They look on the back, they see 7 Plus. That's going to fit your case. Try it out. So yeah, you guys, this is another pre-made for the website. So yeah, let's just get into it. So today my mixture will consist of, I'm just doing blue, like different shades of blue today. So I'm just going to show you guys what I had mixed up. I'm not sure if that's going to be too much blue, but because I have the, you know, the teal, I'm thinking that the dark blue is going to like throw that off. I mean, it is going to throw it off, but I'm just, you know. So I have that, and then I have like another little bit of mixture right here just in case I need it. I know I'm not going to need it, but I always keep extra pearls and rhinestones on the side because if I do run out, I don't have to worry about searching and digging and stuff like that. So today I'll be going in with my, of course, handy dandy picking tool. I also have my, I have a little bit of glue in here, but this is the only problem that I have with this glue. Like, it tends to crack. You guys, if anybody know how to stop that from happening, or maybe I'm doing something wrong, but I wound up wasting a lot of glue because it forms like cuts and stuff in them, and in the glue, I'm trying to squeeze it out this end, is coming out that end. So yeah, so I'm gonna go in with the rest of this glue that I have in here. Didn't already dry up. If not, I have some more over that side, but today I will be using my Clear Grip Gorilla Glue. So without further ado, let's get the blinging. Okay, you guys, so I am finished with this case. As you can see, I slay, because that's what I do. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull back the plastic, and I have a paper on these two, of course. So let's pull it back. Oh, that came back so smooth, finally. I've been having trouble in the last couple of videos. And there it is, you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Give this video a thumbs up, you guys. I want to get to 500 subscribers and one day 1 million. But I gotta start off small. So like I said, you guys, don't forget to leave those comments below if you want to see something. I'm trying to come with more content. Like I said before, my previous videos, I just don't get out as much. A lot of things are shipped to me, but if I can get out more, I will be able to bring y'all more designs, you guys, because I don't just do phone cases. I like doing interior design. I like taking things apart and putting them together. As y'all can see, my craft station, I built that. So God willing, once everything starts to die down and we start to get the clear, I will start getting out more and doing more stuff. But thanks for watching, you guys, and make sure y'all turn on post notifications so y'all can be notified every time I upload a banger, because y'all don't want to miss it. Bye bye.